Catherine Bernardo, celebrity guest sa AIA Philippines 2025 Agency Sales Kick-Off na ginanap sa SM Mall of Asia Arena. First event ni Catherine.
Happy New Year and welcome to our kickoff! Happy New Year, happy afternoon!
Happy New Year.
Okay pa ba lahat? Gabi naman yung address. Nagulat ako. Hindi ko rin alam na may ganun. How are you? I'm good. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Of course, thank you for having me. This is my first event for 2025. So what a way to start my year with you guys.
Special tayo! First event for 2025. Alright, so I have a few questions that I wanted to ask you. We'll be launching a new campaign soon called Rethink Healthy. So it's all about how we define health. So, and health has many different aspects about physical, mental,
So, luck naman talaga will always be there, pero hindi naman magde-depend lang sa luck. So, I just did that because my niece challenged me and I was like, oh my gosh, wala namang mawawala, why not do it? Pero, hindi lang naman yun puro ganon. When it comes to finances, really big help na nagka-guide and I'm very lucky talaga is my mom. And my mom, another fact is, before she used to work for AIA. She, in Cabanatuan, I remember growing up, she would talk to her friends, tas nakikita ko siya na as a financial advisor. And then fast forward to 2024, it was the year na nag-join ako sa AIA. And I didn't expect that. It felt so surreal because my mom used to work here and now I'm the brand ambassador of the brand. So thank you so much.
Kaya alam po nang nandito ngayon, her mom was one of you. Not so long ago.
Yeah, nakikita ko kung paano yung dedication. So, lahat po nang nandito ngayon, you have my respect because my mom used to work for AIA. Ang galing-galing. So, thank you for all your hard work. So, yun, when it comes to that, aside from, of course, investments with properties, saving money, very important din, syempre, yung security. So, we have, of course, life insurance for my family, just in case, para kung ano man mangyari, alam ko na secured and protected yung family ko. So, I think it's good to educate people, especially the young ones like me. I'm turning in my 30s this year, yeah. So, I think it's good na we're very open to learning when it comes to, of course, handling my finances. I know I have a lot to learn, but I'm just lucky because I have my mom with me na ginaguide ako and very patient with me na ituro kung paano ba. And of course, AIA is here para rin extra kampante ako na secured yung family ko in the future. So, yes, parang ganun lang, baby steps, and I'm enjoying every bit of it so far.
So, ayan po, another role that we all play, right? And Benita was saying kanina, we have to be open to learning new things because, as Kat said, part of the role is education. We're also here to teach people about what they need to do and guide them through their financial journey. Last question for you.
Can't just help it. Yung mga days talaga na sometimes it gets too overwhelming and then feeling mo lang parang na-drain ka na. And it's just normal. So for me, every time I experience that, I take a pause. And sana kayo din, very important kasi sa akin yung work-life balance ko. So like now, I just came from my vacation. And dito sa family for the holidays, of course. So I just felt so relaxed. Is it overthinking lang? Is it overwork? Or is it the people around me? Or is it too much of everything? So once you answer what's causing that stress, and then dun ka na sa next step, which is, okay, maybe what do I need para mabawasan yung stress na yun? So sometimes, if I'm you to be more, and there's nothing wrong with that. So, kailangan mo lang malaman ano yung importante sa akin. And at the end of the day, aside from me being an actress, I always remind myself that I'm still human. So, who is Ka outside the work? Who is Ka beyond the camera? And who is Ka pag-uwi, when she gets home, removes her makeup. So, hindi ko lang kinakalimutan siguro yung core ko. Kasi, important din na, you know, yes, we have our work, I'm a celebrity, but at the end of the day, I'm still human and I have my needs as well. So, ayan, I try to remind that and I surround myself with a good circle of friends. I'm very lucky to have, of course, my family, a big factor, and my mentors. So, yun lang siguro yung mga ginagawa ko everyday.
So it's about what will make you grow. Also.
Yeah.
Instead what will make you be more. And I think that's a lot of what everyone hopes for themselves in this arena today, that we all be more and we all grow in 2025. So do you want to hear from some of our life planners on how they plan to be healthy in different ways?
Yes, I would love to hear their answers.
Sige,
Can we
let's
go
go.
down?
Yes.
Okay. Ito. Fast talk lang. Fast talk. So, kailangan pumili ka dito, but, and then you explain your answer.
Okay.
So, is it house or insurance plan?
House or insurance plan? Ooh,
It's a tough one, I know. I don't know
know.
what side too.
I would choose both because both are needs. So, if I am starting my family and I'm not yet building a house, I would rather insure myself first so that if anything happens to me, my family goes on living. And when I'm protected sufficiently, then I get a house. But yeah, it's something to really think of, but I believe both are needs. But if I were to choose, I would choose first to protect myself.
Protect myself and then, yeah, okay. Thank you for that wonderful answer. That's the number one. Thank you. Thank you. 10,000 steps a day or going to the gym. Since kanina we're talking about, you know, taking care of ourselves, especially, you know, physically, emotionally, and mentally, what would you pick? 10,000 steps or going to the gym?
Very interesting question kasi ako, nag-gym din ako at the same time.
But that was...
Kaya naman. Nag-gym din ako, but at the same time, I am a triathlete. Yes, so, if papipiliin mo ako dyan, I will choose 10,000 steps.
Okay.
Because 10,000 steps for a triathlete, parang ano lang yan. Parang mani-mani lang yan talaga. Yeah, so if given a choice, I would choose 10,000 steps or more.
How often do you work out?
4 times a week.
Yeah,
The gym.
okay,
The
sa gym.
But before pandemic, I used to run at least 10 kilometers twice, 3 times a week.
Wow, at least 10 kilometers.
Yeah, just before pandemic, medyo nag-gain ako today. But that's my goal for this year. I have to at least run 600 kilometers for the year.
And then, diba, there's something with working out na after that, you just feel very energized, very accomplished, diba? Really na-relax ako every time I work out. After all the torture, after all the pain.
I know, the torture is really true.
Yeah.
But after you did everything, parang you can do everything now.
Correct. So, yun yung way mo pala
Yes,
to recharge from AI. Good to know. Thank you.
Sorry nga po, yun ang pilas na to. Very, very quick lang.
Oh, are you guys ready? About 1 minute to go!
Sabay-sabay sila.
One more! About 1 minute to go! Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Tunan sa kanila. Today, thank you so much for your answers sa mga natanong ko kanina. And again, Happy New Year, everyone. This is my first event with AIA. And this is such a special partnership sa akin because like what I said earlier, my mom used to work here. So thank you everyone for all your hard work. It's just the beginning of 2025. But naniniwala ako sa inyong lahat with your dedication and hard work, kayang-kaya natin and magtutulungan tayong lahat para maging maganda ang 2025 natin. Thank you so much for having me again and happy New Year to my AIA family. Once again, let's give it up for our box office queen, Catherine Bernardo!
Oh my God, give it up, Captain Bernardo! Queen and Ambassador! Thank you so much.
Brand ambassador AIA.
I love that she has grown into her own self, being a lady.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more updates. See ya.